Hi, welcome to Chef Tips UK with me, Chef Ricky. If you're brand new here, hit that subscribe button. Today we're doing mini pizzas. I love this dish. So easy, so simple, and it basically just gets rid of the worst part about making your own pizza, and that's making the pizza dough. So we're just going to do it with some nice paninis. We're going to make our own pizza sauce. So yeah, let's get cracking. What I've got here is some passata, which is just sieved tomatoes. Everywhere sells them. I've got 200 grams here. A really quick and easy pizza sauce this is. Really easy. So I'm just going to go 200 grams of passata in there. I've got one grated garlic. You've seen me grate garlic all the time, so I've not bothered showing you that. I've just grated the garlic up, just one clove in there. I've got 25 grams, about 1.5 tablespoons of tomato puree. Bang in there. And then just give it a little whisk. And then to that, we're just going to whisk in. I've got 50 grams of extra virgin olive oil. This is just going to give it a really nice shiny finish. It's going to add that really nice olivey taste to it as well. Then we're going to go cracked black pepper, little pinch of that. Nice little pinch of some fresh sea salt. Whisk it in, get rid of that. Right, 4 leaves of fresh basil. We're just going to roll that up, and I'm just literally going to chiffonade that. Just like that, roll it up, thinly slice it, and then I'm just going to roughly go through again, because I want it to be really fine. And then I'm just going to get the herb choppy motion going on here. It's what you always tend to do when you're chopping herbs. And then that straight in there. And that is pizza sauce done. I mean, this is going to make enough for a fair few pizzas. Obviously, adopt the recipe for however many you're cooking for. And I don't know if you can get a look in there. It looks really good, basically. So we're just going to give it a little taste. Spot on. Just needs a little pinch of sugar in there. Sugar, it works really well with tomatoes. Just helps bring out that sweetness of the tomato. Then we'll give that another try. Really tasty. So much flavour in that. Right, so that's our pizza sauce done. So I've just got some nice pre-cooked little panini rolls here. Paninis, ciabattas, either really. And all we're going to do is just slice them in half, just like that. And hey ho, pizza bases. Like I said, this is really easy. I've just got some pepperoni and mozzarella to put on mine, but obviously you can put whatever you want on. Ham, pineapple if you're one of them weirdos, olives on there. You can go for a bit of fresh tomato, tuna, anything you like on a pizza, you can put on these mini pizzas. They'll be ready in 10 minutes. Beautiful. Right, so we've got a pan on the heat here, just warming up. We don't want it too hot. All we're going to do is just drizzle these with a touch of extra virgin olive oil, and then we're just going to rub it in. Bit of seasoning, and then just rub all that oil in, spread it out, mop it up as well, mop it up, really important, get it in. And then all we're going to do is just drop these into the pan. Just give them a little press. We're going to just drop that heat down a bit. Just going to give them a little press. We're only cooking them for about 30 seconds to a minute each side. just to toast them up a little bit. Right, so these have had about a minute on that side. Just literally, that's all you want. You don't want it too massive. Don't want to colour them too much. Just a little griddle, just to firm them up a bit, and so they don't get too soggy. Right, and then once that side's had about a minute, get them out, and then toast your other ones off. And once they're toasted, you're just going to put them onto a tray, ready to go in the oven. Right, so once you've toasted all your ciabattas off, hopefully you've got a tray big enough for all the ciabattas you're doing, because I haven't, so I'm just doing 3. Right, so then all it is now is just building the pizza. So obviously you're just going to start off with a spoon of tomato pizza sauce, just onto them ciabattas, and then I always like to go mozzarella just to start with. One thing I did forget to mention, the oven is on gas mark 8, about 220 degrees. If you're got electric, want it nice and high, because these ain't going to take long to cook. And then for me, I've just got a couple of slices, some nice pepperoni slices here, and I'm just going to lay them on there, just like that. Really easy. Obviously, whatever toppings you like on a pizza, because everyone likes different toppings, you put them on. So whatever you like, put on. And I'm just going to finish with some mozzarella on the top of these, and then they're going to go in the oven for about 10 minutes. Right, so 10 minutes in the oven, and boom, there you go. Mini pizzas. You can whip them up in about 3 minutes. 10 minutes in the oven. I mean, it's 15 minutes and you've got dinner. So easy. The kids will love them as well. So we're just gonna have to try them. Right, so I'm just gonna slice into these, and I'm just gonna get this in my mouth because I'm a little hungover today. And I think pizza is exactly what I've needed all day. These taste just as good as a proper pizza. Really nice, really tasty, so cheap to make. So cheap, you can go and order a pizza online for like 20 quid to get delivered, or you can go and spend about £3 on ingredients and make your own. Make your own pizzas. Great, really nice, really easy. So try them out, guys, and let me know how you get on. I'm going to eat my pizza. So let me know how you get on making these mini pizzas. I'll love them, you'll love them, the kids will definitely love them. So try them out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel if you haven't already, and hit us up on Facebook, Twitter, links are in the comments box below. And until next time, keep on chefing.